Hello, my name is Jackie Winters. I'm the owner of LemonProtection.com, established in 1984. I am ASE certified, Detroit Diesel certified, and I am a Craftsman mechanic by Cadillac Motor Car Division. I want to talk to you today about buying a new car and ways to protect yourself. And I want to talk to you how to inspect a used car and to identify a lemon. First, if you're going to buy a new car and you're going for negotiation, you're going to get a warranty. But when that warranty expires and you've got an extended warranty, here's what you want to ask for. You want to ask for a zero deduction every time you need repairs. You want to ask for a free loan car in case your car has to stay overnight. And when it comes time to buy that warranty, you don't have to buy it from the dealer. You can buy it elsewhere, or you can negotiate that price. The dealer, more likely, they'd rather you negotiate that price and go somewhere else. Now, if you're going to inspect a new or used car or truck, as I've inspected this one before we started, I checked all the fluid levels. It was all full. I looked under the truck. There is no leaks on this truck, not the engine, the transmission, the rear axle, nothing is leaking. I checked the tire condition. I'm looking for feathering, knots, or edge wear. That tells me there could be a suspension or steering problem if there is. Now, I did check the tire pressure. It is equal on both tires. When I started the engine, I listened for engine knocking, squealing, or tapping sounds. Those are not normal sounds. That means there's something worn down inside the engine. This engine started good, there was no noise, so this one's okay. And when I started to put the truck into drive and reverse, it went into gear good. It didn't have no hard bumps, no squealing, no hesitation to engage in gear. It went into gear immediately. Now when I started driving the truck, I checked the brakes to see if there's any vibration, grinding, or noises. There was no noise, so everything's okay. If there is noises, you got a problem. I checked the transmission shifting. It shifted perfectly well. There was two things though. When I was slowing down at 25 miles an hour, there's a vibration in the truck. And when I come to a complete stop, after I stopped, there was a hard clunk. I could feel it in the floor of the truck. That tells me the transmission is probably downshifting, and I say that based on my 34 years of experience and the fact it vibrates at 25. It's not the brakes vibrating, it is the transmission causing the truck to vibrate. I went up to 52 miles an hour, and I started hearing the rear axle making a whining noise. Now, when this lady decides to buy this truck, she's got to confront the owner with the frame damage, the transmission vibrating and clunking when she comes to a stop, and the rear end howling at 52 miles an hour. Now, you are covered. The lemon law applies to all new, used, and leased vehicles under the Magnum Moss Warranty Act. Now, what that means, if your attorney files a complaint for you under the lemon law Magnum Moss Warranty Act, you may be entitled to a full refund, a replacement vehicle, or a refund with compensation on top of that. The lemon law does apply to all cars, trucks, boats, motorcycles, even computers. And from my understanding, anything over $25 with a warranty is covered under the lemon law Warranty Act. What causes a vehicle to be a lemon? Basically, that means that for example, if I had to go into the shop 4 times, if this was my truck and I had to go there 4 times for an engine oil leak and it was still leaking, I would call a lemon law attorney. I would say, look, I've got a lemon here, I need some help. He would go over all my paperwork. That's why it's important you keep a copy of all your repair order history, all your notes, everything they said. Make sure your complaint is the same way every time. If you need a good lemon law attorney, go to my website, LemonProtection.com. I've listed 3 of California's best on there. Over 3,300 of my customers have used them, and they've had very good success in winning their cases, either getting money back, getting a replacement vehicle, or compensation, something. They've come out winners every time. There is a 97% success rate, from my understanding, on these 3 law firms. Either way, thank you very much for your time. I hope the information I gave you was valid and good for you, and I hope you'll tell a friend to come back and see the video if it can help you. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye-bye.